welcome to RV Gear Review. Today we're diving into one of the most unexpected yet thrilling creations in the world of motorhomes, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome modified for ultimate luxury. Yes, you heard that right. Lamborghini, a name synonymous with exotic performance cars, has inspired one of the boldest and most luxurious RV conversions ever imagined. From the outside, this motorhome doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. The aggressive front fascia is unmistakably Lamborghini, with sharp lines, aerodynamic sculpting, and a low-slung stance that makes you forget it's actually a home on wheels. Custom LED lighting, a matte metallic finish, and 24-inch alloy wheels give it that signature supercar presence. Under the hood, or more appropriately, under the chassis, this beast is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine tuned down slightly for practicality, but still pushing out an astonishing 700 horsepower. Coupled with an advanced audio system and adaptive suspension, this motorhome handles corners more like a grand tourer than a bulky RV. Acceleration is smooth and powerful, making highway cruising feel like a performance event. Lamborghini DNA isn't just about speed, it's about control, and this machine delivers that with precision. Step inside and the transformation is just as wild. The interior is a blend of Italian craftsmanship and futuristic design. Think carbon fiber trims, Alcantara-lined walls, and custom Lamborghini-stitched leather seating. The cockpit features a digital command center with a curved OLED display, controlling everything from navigation to climate and lighting. It's a luxury yacht and a spaceship rolled into one. The living space is no less spectacular. You'll find a retractable smart TV, built-in surround sound, mood lighting, and a compact yet high-end kitchen fitted with Miele appliances. There's a convertible lounge area that transforms into a queen-size bed, complete with memory foam and massaging features. The rear bathroom is finished in marble effect composites, offering a rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, and touchless controls for ultimate convenience. Every square inch of this motorhome screams exclusivity. There's even a fold-out patio area with integrated seating and a hidden minibar. Solar panels and an eco-friendly generator system make it off-grid capable, proving that you don't need to sacrifice sustainability for style. What truly sets the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome apart is its balance between high performance and sheer indulgence. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. Whether you're heading to a car show, a remote getaway, or just living the dream on the open road, this RV is a statement. And yes, it comes at a price, starting at over $1.5 million. This is definitely for those who demand the best of both worlds, supercar flair and luxury living. But if you're the kind of person who wants to take the fast lane to first-class RV life, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome delivers beyond expectations. Like, share, and subscribe for more wild luxury RV builds.